My dream is to be a professional police officer because police officers mostly do protecting the cities. And when they do that, they make sure that other people are safe.
Is one of those kids who has a lot of energy, is a great kid, but doesn't always know how to channel all of that energy in a positive way, and to do positive things with that energy.
When I struggle with my behavior, they come to make sure I can turn it around or go back in calmly.
And our kids have a variety of needs. Some of the things that we do for our kids, we do everything from meeting basic needs for some of our kids who maybe don't have the right clothing. We've taken kids shopping to get clothing. We provide a warm meal every day because many of our kids, if they go home at night, they may not have dinner on the table waiting for them. And then we also have these extraordinary experiences that kids that come to the club probably would not have otherwise, like going to Brown County on an art trip for a week, or going to Panama City to do Hurricane Michael cleanup relief, and getting to do things like walking into the ocean for the first time. Many of our kids have never seen the ocean, and going on these experiences, they have the opportunity to see things and do things they wouldn't otherwise.